Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making Okay, so we have some okra here and we have some zucchini that I'm going to fry. So I'm just going to be cutting them up and slicing them up in preparation for frying, because I will be making a batter in order to fry them. Okay, so now that everything is nicely sliced up, I'm going to season my okra and zucchini. So I'm using some olive oil here. Put a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put some pink salt. I'm going to put some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. This is salt free. Okay, so here I'm going to put half cup of cornstarch. I'm going to put half cup of rice flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of oil. Some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. And some red pepper flakes. Of course, if you don't want it spicy, you could omit the red pepper flakes. So we're just going to stir and combine everything together. And then we're going to slowly add water in order to form a batter. So we don't want this batter too watery. So that's why you have to just add the water a little bit at a time until you get a nice batter. If you find that your batter is too thin, you can always add more cornstarch and rice flour to it.